In this Google Earth tutorial, I will show you what is Google Earth and how to use some of its basic features. Folders, pinpoints, descriptions, photo uploads, saving your project and sharing it. Google Earth is more than a map. It is an interactive, multi-level globe. You can visit the stars, fly from your favorite airport, visit cool buildings from the inside, take a walk in the streets, and best of all, customize your part of the world and share it with others. Let me show you a few of those. Let's visit Mars. Which part of Mars would you like to see? This one. How about that? Let's go back to Earth, although you can check other places. Let's fly. Let's visit. Let's check out Tel Aviv. Now let's see how it looks from an airplane. Which one would you like? F-16 or the Cessna one? Let's take this one, not an airport. Now let's start flying. Whoa, let's go all that way. The layers of information Google Earth offers are endless. Please pause a minute and explore them. For example, check out roads. Or how about weather? You see the clouds. How about sun? It's night now. In our school, we want to celebrate nature by cataloging the flora of our campus. First, we need to download Google Earth. This is as simple as pie. All you need to do is write Google Earth, click on the link, and download. Just as easy as that. Like most of Google's products, once you have installed it and opened it for the first time, it starts with a quick orientation, showing you basic stuff, what is this, and these things. Please don't skip it. It's very, very useful. Take a sec, check it out. Alright. For our project, the first thing that we want to do is create a folder. In order to create a folder, what we need is to go to Add and click on Add a folder. Let's give it a meaningful name. I'm going to give it my name because I want to share it with my teacher and I want him to give me feedback. So I'm going to write my name, and if I need a description, this is my project, blah blah blah, right? Done. And now you can see it here. This one is inside something else. I don't want it to be inside another folder, so I'm going to move it. I'm going to put it in my places. That's that. Now the most basic thing in Google Earth is a pinpoint or place mark. And like the name suggests, what it does is mark a place, a specific place that you want to show, talk about, or do whatever with. In order to add one, you click on the Add place mark, which is this push pin right over here. What happens is that the dialog box opens. While it's open, you can move the pin to wherever you want. You can place it in whichever place mark you like. Now let's give it a meaningful name. This is our beginning. And let's give it a description. Now I don't know what to say about that, but while the dialog box is open, I can move it, and let's move it here to the pool. So this is the pool. Good. When I close it, I can't move the pin again. If I do want to change some of the information, the location or the description or whatever, I right click it and click on Get Info. Now I can rearrange, I can move it to wherever I want, change the description, add images, etc. Let me show you how to add an image. In order to add an image, I click on the Add Image button, and then I have to paste here the URL, the web direction, the web address of my picture. In order to do that, I need to save the picture somewhere on the web. Now, for the purpose of our project, I created this Google site for us. What you need to do, you are free, you are all editors of this site. All you need to do is to upload your picture. So I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna open this site, which I give you the link to in Google Classroom. I'm gonna click on Images, and I'm gonna choose my images, the images that I want. I'm gonna choose one from my computer, and I want these 4 pictures. I'm going to mark them, and I'm going to click on Open. Here they are. Upload. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to see them here in the edit version or edit mode of Google site. In order to publish them or to get the link to them, I need Publish It. This is the Save button, if you like. And now I need to go to View Published Site. Here you can see it. I'm going to right click on the picture I want, and I'm going to copy image address. Now I'm going to go back to Google Earth, and I'm going to paste the address I got right here. And click OK. This is what I'm going to see right here. This very funny thingy line. I'm going to click OK, and now when I'm going to click on the place mark, I'm going to see the description I wrote. This is the pool with the image. Of course, not the image of the pool. So let's edit it. In order to do that, I need to right click, Get Info. Let's change that. This is my first plant. That's that. Okay? Good. And again. Alrighty. Now, so in order to be exact, in order to pinpoint your plant in its exact location, I suggest you will choose a very specific, a very visible location, starting point, and you will measure your way from it. All you need to do is to click on this ruler tool, choose where you start in the beginning point, and take it to the distance that you went. Let's say we took 50 meters from the beginning point. Once you're done, save, give it a name, and make it more meaningful than that, right? If you want to be super accurate, you'll do the same with 2 place marks. You choose 2 very visible beginning points in order to triangle your position or the position of the plant. Again, we're going to choose the ruler, we're going to measure the distance that we went from here. We took 30 meters, or let's say 25 meters, somewhere around here, right? Say, let's call it line 2. And now let's try to triangle these 2. I'm going to click on Get Info, and I'm going to move it 50 meters until it will triangulate with without a line. Then I'm gonna have the most accurate location possible, where these two lines meet. This is where I found my plan. Alright, now we created pinpoints, we added pictures, we know how to change them, we know how to write the description, and so on and so forth. We know how to visit our pinpoints, to check out pictures, but now we want to save it. Google Earth sometimes crashes. In order not to lose information, what we want to do is to save it. We will choose not the last pinpoint, but the folder. And then we're going to go to File and we're going to save it. We're going to choose Save Place As. Now we're making sure that this is what is marked, and that the folder is what is marked, and that we have the folder's name. We're going to save it in Documents or wherever you guys want. Don't change the file type, just click on Save. Next time we will want to save it, all we need to do is to save again the folder and click on Save. Save again, yes, we want to replace, yes, we definitely do want to replace it. In order to share it, you need to be logged in. Right here in the upper right corner, you'll see a sign in if you did not sign in. Let me show you how does it look like. Sign in, you click on it, you sign in like you always do. And once you are logged in, you can share. Email image, email view. We want to email placemark. Now, to submit your project to me, you do not send it to me by email. You upload the placemark that you saved, like I showed you, the folder that you saved, you upload it to Google Classroom. But in order to collaborate between the team members, you can email each other the placemark. You write the email address and you make sure that you have the folder. And of course, you send it. That's that.